Welcome to Hard Truck Apocalypse: Rise of Clans, the first official standalone add-on for Hard Truck Apocalypse. Produced by Naval Tarjum Studio and Buka Entertainment, this title continues the storyline of the first game and introduces new scenarios previously hidden, new characters that come to unveil the secrets that lay under the destiny of humankind. For those who played Hard Truck Apocalypse before, Rise of Clans offers new vehicles to drive and upgrade, dozens of weapons and gadgets to improve our vehicle, and kilometers of new zones to discover. The graphic engine is being upgraded to increase the quality of the units as well as the elements and special effects of the scenario. New units are being designed also, from regular size ones to huge bosses that we'll encounter during our adventure. The multiplayer mode is going to be the most important feature of this add-on standalone. The game supports up to 16 layers via LAN and internet. Choose your truck, get money killing other players, and improve your weaponry. Wear your war colors and send your machine into the battle. Rise of Clans multiplayer option will have several modes of play. Deathmatch for killing at will all your enemies, and Team Deathmatch to wear the clan colors in your truck and kill the enemy group. Other modes are still under planning, like the defense of a city, the clan, or the gathering of material. Welcome to Hard Truck Apocalypse: Rise of Clans. Welcome to Buka.